welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. My name's Lisa, and I wasn't expecting this today, but I got a Trendsend box, and I'm a little curious because I think I just got one like 2 weeks ago, and they're usually monthly boxes. And I also don't ever remember the address because they're huge, it ever saying thank you on the box. So I'm a bit intrigued to see what it says in my note, I guess, because like I said, I just got one, and I literally 2 weeks ago, I think. I'd have to look, but I know I just did. So we'll see what I got. I should probably start opening these off camera because it seems like I'm not doing very good. They really taped it. They had to tape 3 times going across. Okay. Here we go. Here's the first bundle. Ooh, it looks like a white jean jacket. Lisa doesn't do white. This looks good. I'm peeking before I show you guys. A couple items in there. Nothing seems overly heavy. Oh, this looks a little dark. These are my colors, black, olive green. And then I got the bill. And I've got the mailer. But I don't have the little list of my outfits. Interesting. I don't know. All right, well, we'll just jump in then, I guess. I don't know, that's odd. Usually they send you something. Ooh, I got my first jewelry. Looks like they're dangly earrings. I don't wear dangly earrings. They're cute. Probably won't try them on because this is what I wear all the time. That's it. All right. Oh, it's like a little sleeveless dress. It's a little ruffle on the top, or on the bottom, and the front, like a high-low. Could be cute. It looks like she paired it with a little bit of a distressed denim jacket. That looks really tiny. I don't know. Okay. On to the next. Okay, a little tank top, little lace tank top. Guess they think they're gonna get me since I liked that last cami. They sent me with a little bit of lace. It's cute. Same on the back. This looks intriguing. I wonder if this is like a kimono. It is. It's like a duster kimono. It's really pretty. I like that it's not, it's see-through. It's that kind of see-through material, but it's not like see it all the way through, you know? Pretty cute. A pair of level 99 pants. Now this is funny because they sent me these pants in my first one, and I actually believe that I kept them in my first Trendsend. And I'm like double checking, like, is this box supposed to be for me? Because I just got one, and it sure does say, it says my name and my address on the front. So maybe they think because I liked them the first time, I'm gonna buy them again. But I won't know because I don't have a letter. And I actually really like my letters with Trendsend because they kind of give you, I don't know, I kind of like them. They kind of seem a little bit more personal than the my trunk club and my... Okay, so this is a little necklace, a little L, which kind of almost looks like a V that maybe my child made. Okay, let's see what else we got. This is looking cute. Oh, until I turned it over. I really like the front. But then there's the back. I'm not a very big mixed media kind of person. It's really see-through. You can maybe see the pattern through the back. And then a pair of jeans. Articles of Society. Just a nice darker wash jean. Not a bunch of distressing. A little bit of wear in there, but no holes. Oh, frayed edge. Those could be cute. Okay, let's get to trying this stuff on. Here's the first look. It's the denim jacket. A little bit of the distressing. I don't think there's any in the back. It's a good length for a denim jacket if you're gonna wear it with a dress. I like mine just a tad bit longer if I was to wear it with jeans. So yeah, that's cute. And that is $89. And then here is the gingham ruffle dress, which is $88. It goes up in the front a little bit, and it's longer in the back. It actually almost hits the back of my heels there, so it's kind of long. It's very cute. A little bit of fake buttons going all the way down, and I thought it was strapless, but it does have these little straps there to help make it look like it's help keeping it up, but the elastic is what's doing all of it. And then the earrings, which were $28, but I won't try the earrings on because I know I won't keep them, so I can show them to you again in the end, but I showed them in the beginning. So there's look one. We'll look okay, here's look number two. I feel like I should be going to sleep with this on. It's very roby, and it's a lot thicker. This is very not spring to me, this whole look. Maybe without the card or the kimono on, it could be. Price wise, the kimono is $78. The shirt is by Free People, and it is $68. And then the jeans are level 99, or the cargo pants are level 99, and they're $125. So there's the length of the kimono. It's very long, which I don't mind. It's just a very heavy weight. And then the cargo pants are not supposed to be, I think they're supposed to be cropped, but not necessarily short. And they're almost, not quite, but almost capri length on me. But they are cute with the zippers, and it is an actual pocket. I like my pockets. So I'll take this off so you guys can see this better. Here's the top and the front. Has a little bit more of that detailing going across the back. And it's very, very heavy, so I have my normal bra underneath it, and it's not overly visibly noticeable. And then there is the necklace. I know other people have got this necklace, and I'm not sure if I like it with the L because it almost looks like they didn't make it right and they made this side shorter. I don't think it looks like an L. I think it looks like it's supposed to be a V. And the shirt has your traditional Free People, you know, floating away with the U-shaped hem all the way around. So yeah, that's the second outfit. We'll go on to the right. Guys, here's look three. Shirt is way too tight. It doesn't fit. It's hugging right. You know, it's literally hugging in here. These pants are a little bit on the shorter end, so they're pushing everything up. And then this is grabbing hold of it. So that's not attractive. Other than that, though, I think the shirt is cute. I actually didn't think I would like it, but I think it's cute. It's nice, lightweight. It kind of almost is like a seersucker material where it has the stripes and then the little bit of a dot, but it doesn't really feel seersucky, but it reminds me of the seersucky material. The pants are a little bit shorter than I would want them, but overall I don't think they fit horribly. They're just a little bit lower in the waist than I would like, and I know they're kind of tight, but we all know how that is. As soon as we wear them for an hour and we're sitting in them, they would be perfect fit, and they don't feel like they would give too much. In fact, I think I have a pair of Article Society, and they kind of start out a little bit tight, but they get to be perfect after a while. In fact, I do like this like squat thing before I go out anywhere. So yeah, that is outfit three. I'll come back with final thoughts for you guys, and I'll give you all the prices. Hey guys, it's Lisa and Nolan.
So, cuz.
He's home for spring break today, so here he is in the flesh, biting on his knee. No, but so I went ahead, and after I tried everything on, I added up the whole box for you guys, and it was $644.99. Yikes. Like I said before, I wasn't expecting this box, so it was a surprise to me, a surprise I'm having to do this video for you guys today, which I don't mind doing. I think the only thing I liked in the box, and I keep looking over here because my clothes are over here on my chair, but it was the black and white gingham dress. I don't have a lot of dresses, so that would be maybe the only thing I kept out of this whole box, honestly. I think the kimono look was very heavy and dark for spring coming up. Obviously, the third outfit did not look good at all, and the dress and the white jean jacket, I think, were probably the best bet for me. So I think that that is it for today. The thing with evereve.com is that you guys can get online and go to evereve.com, and you can purchase whatever you saw on my box today or whatever you see on anybody else's unboxing. You do not have to get a Trendsend box to purchase from them. So that was it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon with my Stitch Fix. Talk to you later.
Happy
Bye.
Easter.
Okay, guys, I forgot one thing that I don't think I named all the prices for everything. So in the description box below, I always put what the brand name was, what they're calling the style, and the price. If you guys see something you like and you want to go on and either request it or buy it online for yourself. So we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. Please like and please subscribe. Bye.